This is the radio that comes with the ready-to-fly package on your 450 Pro. Over here you have your power button. These are the buttons to change your settings. Got your trims. On the top right you have your throttle hold, and on your top left you have your idle up. Okay, you're going to switch the power on. Okay, and you will see that it is in model number 1, and it does tell you your battery voltage. To change your settings, you're going to hold these two buttons down. And it tells you you're in model number 1. You press either up or down to change to the other modes settings. I'm going to press down. Let's go up actually. This is your reverse. This is where you go if you need to reverse your servos. And you simply press select to select what channel you want to reverse. Channel 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and you press up again. And these are your dual rates. You can go beyond 100 if you like, and using these plus and minus buttons down here. Okay, go on to the next setting. This is your endpoint adjustment. This is the same as travel adjust. If you need to make it go beyond 100, I believe it goes into 150. Yes, 140, up to 140. Next settings are going to be the trim. These are your sub trim. Okay, and you can select which channel you want to trim using this button here on the right, the select button. 6 channels. Okay, the next one is you're going to be your normal throttle. Okay, you have 5 points. You press select to go to the next point. 3rd point, and that's the high. Okay, and this is your pitch setting in normal mode. Okay, as you can see, you have 5. And now this is your idle up throttle. Okay, and as you can see, it's 100 flat for me, but you can change that to give you a V curve if you like. Okay, and your idle up pitch. Okay, these should be the same as your normal, but you can change that using these buttons down here. Okay, and this is your throttle hold. Okay, this is your hold pitch settings. You can change that on or off to how many degrees of negative you want. Okay, and this is your Revo mixing. This is for tail compensation for those older gyros. You may find you don't want to use this with the new modern gyros today. This is your gyro. Obviously, it's to adjust your gain. You can adjust your gain again using your data buttons down here on the bottom. If your tail is wagging, you might want to reduce this. If it's not holding well, you want to give it some more gain. And these are your swash settings. This is to change the values for your swash. If your swash is moving in the wrong direction, you can change that plus to a negative. Like, let's say that's for the aileron. As you can see, that's the aileron. Let's say your aileron is moving in the opposite direction. Just change that plus to a minus, for example. Minus 50. And that should correct your aileron channel. And you have 3 other channels: your elevator and your pitch. That just means 3 servos. Okay, I'll move this back to positive. Okay, and that's about it. This is just a short video of understanding your radio. Next, I will show us the setup video using this radio with the servos installed and how to set it up for at 90 degrees and with the correct swash movement. Thank you for watching.